Hey there, car enthusiasts! Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to tell you about the top cold start mistakes that can ruin your engine. These are common errors that many drivers make, especially during the winter months, and avoiding them can save you a lot of trouble and money. Winter's here, and it's crucial to know how to treat your car right when starting it up in those chilly mornings. First up, excessive idling. This is a habit many people have, thinking it's beneficial for the car. You might think letting your car idle for a long time is a good idea when it's cold, but it's actually harmful. Idling for too long can lead to several issues that you definitely want to avoid. Long periods of idling prevent your engine from reaching its optimal operating temperature quickly and can cause excessive fuel dilution in the oil. This means the oil becomes less effective at lubricating the engine, leading to increased wear and tear. So instead of leaving your car running, start it up and wait just a few seconds before driving off. This helps the engine warm up more efficiently and reduces the risk of damage. Next, let's talk about revving the engine too high right after starting. This is another common mistake that can have serious consequences for your engine. When the engine's cold, the oil is thicker and doesn't circulate as efficiently. This means that the engine parts are not getting the lubrication they need right away. Revving too high can cause increased friction between engine parts, leading to wear and tear. Over time, this can result in significant damage and costly repairs. Always give your car a bit of time to warm up before you go heavy on the gas. This simple step can make a big difference in the longevity of your engine. And then there's driving aggressively before the engine is fully warmed up. This is a big no-no and can lead to a host of problems. This is a big no-no. Cold engines burn fuel less efficiently, which can cause a buildup of soot and deposits. These deposits can clog up your engine and reduce its performance. Cold engines burn fuel less efficiently, which can cause a buildup of soot and deposits. To avoid this, drive gently and avoid hard acceleration until your engine reaches its proper temperature. This not only helps in reducing wear and tear but also ensures better fuel efficiency. Another crucial point is using the wrong type of engine oil. The type of oil you use can have a significant impact on your engine's performance, especially in cold weather. In cold weather, you need a synthetic oil with a lower viscosity to ensure proper lubrication. This type of oil flows more easily at low temperatures, providing better protection for your engine. This way, your oil circulates better and protects your engine from wear. Using the right oil can make a big difference in how your engine performs and how long it lasts. So, to sum it all up, here's how you can minimize cold start damage. These tips are simple but effective, and following them can help you avoid costly repairs. Start your engine and wait a few seconds before driving. This allows the oil to circulate and the engine to warm up slightly. Drive gently and avoid high RPMs until the engine is warm. This reduces the stress on your engine and helps it last longer. Use the correct engine oil for your climate. This ensures that your engine is properly lubricated and protected, even in cold weather. And finally, consider the warm-up drive. Instead of idling for ages, drive at a moderate pace to help your engine reach its operating temperature faster. This is more efficient and better for your engine. Instead of idling for ages, drive at a moderate pace to help your engine reach its operating temperature faster. This not only saves fuel, but also reduces emissions. Remember, your engine is the heart of your car, and treating it right, especially in cold weather, will keep it running smoothly for years to come. Taking these simple steps can make a big difference in your car's performance and longevity. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support helps us create more content to keep your car running at its best. Until next time, stay warm and drive safe. Take care of your car and it will take care of you.